Hello everyone, welcome to Unshackling Sudokus and Puzzles. Today's video will be on a classic Sudoku created by rockratzero. The link to solve the Sudoku is in the description of the video. Funny thing happened on our yesterday video. I had made a video on a classic which was already made by Ashish. This was entirely my fault. I did not notice that it is the exact same classic, so hence unfortunately we had to take down that video, although we could have let it remain, but I did not want to waste people's time, so we removed that video. So sorry for the inconvenience that caused to some of you viewers. Anyway, so today's classic has a really nice pattern of givens. As you can see, it's called landing strip, and the author has noted that it may be it is a tough classical Sudoku but may not be a diabolical one. So without much further ado, let's start this wonderful looking classic Sudoku by rockratzero. This is a live solve. So let me see if I can complete this classic. 5 goes in one of these two cells by classic rules, and 6 in column 6 has to be here, which puts the 6 here, and 7 cannot be in here, so 7 goes here, and 7 in column 1 has to go here now because you can't have 7 here due to this pointing pair of 7s, and 7 in box 5 has to go here. 1 in column 7 has to be here, that puts 1 in here. Okay, 4 in box 1 goes here because 4 cannot be in these two cells. Now the 4 in box 7, it cannot go here or it cannot go here, so it means it has to be here. Similarly, 4 in box 9 has to be in one of these two cells. So we are getting a lot of pointing pairs. One in box 8 cannot be in any of these cells, so 1 goes here, so that puts 1 in here. Okay, 2 in column 7 goes here, 2 in column 3 goes here, so which means 2 in row 5 has to be here. All just visual solves, there's nothing much to look into depth. And 4 in box 5 has to be here, right? 4 cannot be here or here, so that means these two cells will be a 2, 3 to complete the box. Now let's really start making center candidates. If we look at row 6, 1, 7, 2, 4, 6, 8. So 3, 5, 9. This would be 3, 5, 3, 5, 9, and 3, 5, and 9. Excellent. Now maybe row 4, 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. 3, 4, 6, 9 are the missing digits. This is 4, 6, 9. 3, 4, 6. This would be 3, 4, and 9. This would be 3, 6, 9 because of this pointing pair of 4. So this is 3, 6, 9. And now looking at column 7, 1, 2, 3, 8, 9 are already present. So 4, 5, 6, and 7. This is 5, 7. This is 4, 5, 7. This is 5 and 6. Okay, let me look at column 5 now. Again 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. So 1, 2, 3, and 8. This is a 3, 8. This is a 1, 2. This is a 1, 3, 8. And this is a 2, 8. Okay. Now looking at row 5. 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. So I need 1, 4, 5, and 6. I can't have 1 in this box. So this is a 5, 6. And this is a 4, 5. Because I have a 4 here, this would be a 5, 6. Okay. Slowly the Sudoku is hitting a roadblock. And by the way, it's called a landing strip, the title of the Sudoku, which I failed to mention, I think. 3, 7, 9, 2, and 8. So 1, 4, 5, 6. These would be a 1, 5, 6. right? Because 4 is not here. And the moment I write that, I notice that there is a triplet in row 2. Beautiful. So 1 is in one of these two cells now. And I'm seeing the ones in other boxes along the same plane, you can say. So this would be 4, 5, and 6. And this would be a 1, 4, and 5. Excellent. Now let's remove the 1 from here in row 2. This would be all except 1, 5, 6, 2, 4, 7. So 3, 8, 9, 3, 9, 3, 8, 9. Okay, so there's something going on here. Maybe, I'm not really sure. Okay, looking at this cell, 4, 5, 6, 3, 8, and 1. So 2, 7, and 9. And let me make some pencil marks here. 4, 5, 7, 8. So these would be 4, 5, 8. And 5 cannot be here. 8 cannot be here. This would be 5, 7, 8. Wow, look at this column, guys. Beautiful. This is absolutely nice. I'm seeing that 3, 9 cannot be in any of these cells. I mean, you can see that 3, 9 goes in none of these cells. And you also cannot have 3, 9 here. And there are exactly 3 given clues. So which leaves us just these two cells for the 3, 9. So this would be a 3, 9. And this cannot be a 6. Has to be a 3, 9. And this would be 4, 5, 6, or 8. Okay, not an issue. Okay, so the moment you do that, 6 cannot be in any of these cells, so 6 has to go here. So, okay, 6 is in rows 5 and 6, that puts a 6 here. That gives 6 in these two cells. I have a 3, 9 here, so which means these cells must take 4 and 5 in them, right? So this is not a 5. 5 goes in here. This would be 3, 7, 9. Because I have a 4, 5 here, a 1, 2, 6 here. This would be a 3, 7, 9. Very nice. This is 4, 5, 8 for the column. Okay. Along row 5, this would be 1, 4, 5, 4, 5, 2, 3, 7, 9, and 6, 8. So this would be 1, 4, 5. Oh, nice. Let's look at row 7. I have 2, 5, 6, 7, 9. So 1, 3, 4, and 8. So this would be a 3, 8, a 1, 4, and a 1, 3, 4. And of course, 4 is, there is a pointing pair of 4s which I can do, make use of. 4 is eliminated from these cells. And this cell right here is 1, 5, 9. So many pencil marks, guys. Very, very nice. So what do I do here? 6 is going in these two cells, 6 is going in these two cells. So which means 6 in this column, column 2 has to be in box 1. And that puts the 6 here, giving a 1 here. Which means this would be a 1, 5 pair. Oh, sorry. And that gives me a 6 here, right? So I am getting some good progress. look at this cell. 4, 5, 6, 8 and 1, 3 and 9. So this has to be a 2 or a 7. Oh. And 4 in row 1 goes in these cells, which means this is not a 4, 5, 7. Nice. So I have a 5, 7 pair. So it gives me a 4 here, which means this will be a 5, 8. So where is the Sudoku taking me along? Okay. 3, 8 pair in box 8. Out of the blue that came. So 4, 5, 6, 3, 8. So I need 1, 2, 7 and 9. This would be a 7, 9 because of this 1 and 2. And in fact, it has to be a 9 because you can see there is a pointing pair of 7s. So this is not a 7, so that's a 9. So these 3 cells right here would be 1, 2, 7. 7. Let's remove this. And now this is not a 1. This is a 4, 5 and 9. Excellent. Now looking along row 8. So 2, 7, 8 and 1, 4 and 9. So which means these 2 cells would be 3, 5, 6. Right, this cannot be 3. Okay. Interesting. There is a pointing pair of 4s in here. So this is not a 4, 6 and 9. Lots of tiny eliminations in the Sudoku all over. Okay, now 1 in row 3 has only 1 cell left. 1 goes here. That puts 1 in here, which means this would be a 2, 7. And now looking along column 5, 2 has only 1 cell left. 2 goes here. That gives a 7 in here, which gives a 2 in here and a 7 in here. And that means this would be a 3, this would be a 2. This 3 here gives a 9 here, which means this is a 3, 8. And these cells would be 3, 5, 8. No 8 and no 3. Let's remove this. Very interesting. So we are almost close to the finish line here. Is there something? Okay, I'm seeing 8s forming a well-known pattern. Okay, so that is not going to help. Right, so this is the final stretch. So we have to find something here. Okay, 9 is in these 2 cells. Do I need to use something related to coloring here? But 8s are exactly in 2 positions in all of these boxes, so I don't think it would help in elimination. Okay, let me think here. So this is a tricky portion of the Sudoku. Ah, 4 and 5. Maybe 5s. There are so many 5s, so perhaps I could eliminate some 5s, I think. 5, 9. Okay, there is an XY wing or a Y wing. Both are one and the same. So basically you identify 3 cells which have bi-value candidates of the form AB, BC and AC. So you can call A as 5 here, B as 9 and C as 6 here, or in any order. So and out of these there will be exactly one cell which sees the other two cells. So in this case, this is the cell which sees the other two cells. So this will be the hinge cell and the other two cells will be the wing cells. So when you have this pattern, the cells which see both of the wing cells, right, namely this one and this one, all these cells see both row 4 column 3 and row 9 column 2. So I can eliminate 9 from those cells because 9 is the digit common between these cells, and I can eliminate 9 from there. So 9 can be eliminated from all these cells. All the green cells can't take a 9, because if you have a 9, this becomes 5, this becomes 6, and then the hinge cell has no possibility. 9 is not here, 9 is not here. Excellent. Now that makes a 3-5 pair. This would be a 9, giving a 3 here, a 9 here. So this is a 4, it's a 5 here, and that 9 here removes the 9 from this cell. So 5 here gives a 1 here, and 4 completes the row. Now I need 6 and 9 to finish up this row. 9 goes here, 6 goes here, and 6 is in one of these two cells, so 6 goes here. This is a 3-5. Okay, so that vibing really helped us. This is a 3, which means this is 5, 3, 5, 1, 5, and 5 gives 9 here, 5 gives 4, 1, 3 gives 8, 4, 5, 7, 8, 3, 8, 5, 3, 7. It's just, writing the digits now, 3. And with that, we have completed this wonderful Sudoku by rockratzero. It had, a really clean solve until the end when one had to find this vibing. But all in all, this is a really wonderful Sudoku, and I enjoyed solving this. Hope you also had fun watching this video. Please do leave a like and a comment, and do remember to subscribe to the channel. We'll see you soon. Bye bye.